John mentioned it, a long history of shared values, a long history of partnership that is tested through time. Alam niyo po, when we do joint plans with Southstar and Rose, it's just not just about our mission and business, but more about putting the shopper experience and the patient healing at the center and doing everything we can jointly to be able to fulfill our mission of Alaga. And we're just so excited because Southstar and Rose are very collaborative partners and share that sense of purpose very deeply with Unilab.
From beyond the business aspect, what shared mission do you see in this partnership of Unilab and Robinsons, Ms. John?
Beyond business, what truly binds Southstar Drug, Rose Pharmacy, and Unilab is our shared commitment to uplift the lives of Filipino families. This partnership goes beyond the products that we sell or the transactions that we do every day. It's really about delivering genuine care that really makes a difference in the lives of the customers that we serve.
So talking about Alaga being genuine and exclusive, Sir Melo, how does this partnership reflect the bigger vision of Unilab?
It's truly a big vision that starts from something very personal. If I may share, my mother is 86 years old, bedridden, patient of diabetes and stroke, and could not go to the pharmacy anymore to source products. But because of the Alaga of my wife and the Alaga of Southstar MedSubscribe, we buy her medicines monthly, every month. And I even know the person who my wife talks to, si Sol Fabisan, no? Very personal care. This is the kind of personal care that becomes a bigger vision that transcends medicines. It's about personal malasakit, it's about reaching out to the underserved. Pareho po ng mom ko na hindi na nakapaglalakad papunta sa pharmacy. And it's about reaching out to communities, no? With the strength of with Robinsons Retail and Southstar Pharmacy on CSR and advocacies that makes this bigger.
It's bigger indeed. Now, Ms. Joanne, I want to ask, what do you hope for this partnership to achieve moving forward?
Moving forward, we hope that this partnership would further strengthen Southstar Drug and Rose Pharmacy as true champions of community health. Our vision is to set the industry standard or benchmark when it comes to genuine and inclusive care. Care that is accessible, care that is trusted, and most especially felt by the communities that we serve.
I'm gonna bring it back to Sir Melo. Let's talk about the collaboration between MaxiCare, Southstar Drug, and Rose Pharmacy. What makes it different from the other HMO programs?
This is really big. This partnership, first of all, is a partnership among three premier organizations. No? MaxiCare, ano po yan? Premier health HMO, Health Maintenance Organization, 1.8 million members. Unilab, and of course Rose and Southstar under the umbrella of Robinsons Retail. And the center of this partnership is actually the patient, giving the patient a seamless, smooth, integrated experience. For example, they will be able to get the best value out of their budget by buying Unilab products from Southstar and Rose, no? As a Medicare member, and not only that, no? This helps in the compliance of the patient. Tinutulungan po sila para makumpleto nila yung prescription. Para
Follow
yung
the
paggaling nila.
prescription after the
Marami pong hindi
consultation.
gumagaling kapag hindi kumpleto ang prescription. And this is at the center of this wonderful program.
Ang ganda. Now, follow up with Ms. Joanne naman. Speaking of accessibility, because what Sir Melo mentioned, it is a way to be accessible, di ba, for the prescriptions. Let's talk about the online exclusives naman. What can customers expect and how do these make care more convenient?
So with our online exclusives, customers can look forward to special deals that are only made available in Southstar Drug and Rose Pharmacy's websites and e-commerce platforms. So these are designed specially for today's busy families and younger shoppers who want convenience but without compromising on value.
Okay, follow-up question. From a bigger perspective, how does this strengthen Southstar Drug and Rose Pharmacy's future?
So online sales or e-commerce is actually future-proofing our business by making healthcare more accessible anytime, anywhere. So it allows South Star Drug and Rose Pharmacy to reach more Filipinos, serve them with greater convenience, and build stronger loyalty also. So this positions us for sustainable growth in the years ahead.
Wow. Now, let me go naman to Sir Fab.
300 worth of participating Unilever products bought at South Star Drug and Rose Pharmacy, and the shopper can earn one raffle entry. The promo runs from October 1 to December 2025.
We want to know what are the prizes up for grabs para makasali na tayo.
So there are exciting prizes that will be given away for South Star Drug. We have 80 winners of 8,000 pesos each.
8,000 pesos! Wow!
Yeah. And then we have one grand winner of 1 million pesos.
1 million pesos! This is for the South Star Drug,
Yeah.
right?
For
How
Rose
about
Pharmacy, we have 80 winners of 8,000 as well.
8,000 pesos as well.
And 80 winners of 2,000 worth of Unilever products.
Wow! Isn't that amazing? Ako, more reasons to buy Unilever products at South Star Drug and Rose Pharmacy. Now, follow-up question, how